recorded. Amar sir. Amar sir, can you hear me?
Amar sir, we can begin the session now.
Okay, Nishita ma'am. Yeah, Nishita ma'am. I'll start. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just give me 1 minute. I'll just set my laptop and we can start. Okay. Nishita ma'am, am I audible and visible as well?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, namaste everyone. Namaste
Namaste,
principal
sir.
ma'am. Namaste vice principal ma'am. Okay, I'll start with the session. Okay. So, namaste to our beloved principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, coordinators, my dear colleagues, and all the alumni who are present today for this evening. Today, I'm feeling deeply honored and privileged to interact and host the very wonderful session of Back to Root. I wish you all a very warm welcome to this great evening, great afternoon of Back to Root. Colin Powell once said, "A dream does not become reality, though through magic, it takes sweat, determination, and hard working." So here I am with the guest of our afternoon or evening, we can say, who is hardworking, perseverant, and determined, yet very talented and compassionate by nature. He is none other than Master Yash Boyer. Okay, now let us take a little close look of Yash Boyer's journey with RRS. Amit sir, I would request you to please play this beautiful video that you have made.
Nikita ma'am will play the video, Amar sir.
Okay, Nishita ma'am. Thank you, Nishita ma'am.
यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन गुल्लक में पड़ी चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी जिंदगी जीने की उम्र थी दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या 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 दिन थे बिगड़े हुए इंसान थे शैतान की संतान थे
Lovely, wonderful, videos by editing department. Yash, I hope you like the video made by the IT teams. Would you like to say something about the images that you came across right now? Some memories that you would like to share about your school that you have seen, you have enjoyed, and you have rejoiced the moment that you were in the school, or
Yes,
the
sir.
moment of seizing it?
Actually, sir, my heart is warmed by seeing all those photos. It was a quick recap through all my 10 years which I have spent with school, with teachers. It was an amazing experience. And it's not forgettable because it's a half part of our life which we have spent in school. So forgetting the memories is not possible.
Any best moment, Yash, which you like to share about your school? Any best moment
Uh,
that you had?
Best moment was all were the best moments only because the kindness of our teachers and friends with the environment, it was amazing. I means I cannot speak it in words, but the experience was so much amazing.
Okay, thank you, Yash. I'll share a little bit of my experience with Yash. I mean, Yash might remember a little bit about it. So I think basically I joined in 2018, and the first demo I was luckily to give in RS was with Yash Brush, if I'm not wrong. Yes, Yash.
Yes, sir.
And I'll just share a little bit memory that I recollect when I gave my demo with this batch. I remember that after my demo was over, when I was sitting on the sofa on the first floor, I saw around 5 to 6 people coming up and touching my feet, and I was literally shocked because I've never seen student usually touching feet in school that way in my teaching experience, and I was really mesmerized with the way that no, it was really touch. And I think I remember even with Principal saying that what is when Principal ma'am asked me what is the best moment, and I told that the children came and just touched my feet, just touched my heart. So that was the best thing that is happening in the school, the culture that is given by the school. So I remember the best moment that I remember with Yash. I mean, hopefully I know that I have spent with them that time. So thank you. I think thank you, Yash. At that time, you people really supported when I was giving demo, and you people were really nice at that time. I know that. So thank you for that as well. So anyway, so we'll move on little bit more about Yash today. So let's talk little bit Yash achievement today. So Yash was we. I hope we all know. Most of you know that Yash was Nritya House vice captain. So I hope all knows that, and he was always striving his best for the house whenever he was doing his duty. So yes, I'm really proud of you when you were doing at that time.
Thank you, sir.
Then he has also won gold medal in 2014-15 at Thane district in skating. He won bronze medal in 2015-16 at district skating competition. He has secured second place in photography competition, Photographia organized by Rotary Club of Hinduja College. Currently is pursuing diploma in civil engineering from Sri Bhagubai Mafatlal Polytechnic. So this is all about Yash, which and his achievement that he is doing. Yash, would you like to share something current experience that you're having with your college and then with your school? So whenever you get free time, you compare your college with your school. So any idea that you would like to
Uh,
share?
Comparing about the environment, I should talk. School's environment was totally different from which we are getting in college. So it's very different. In colleges, we are more towards professional career, professionalism. But in school, we are also being taught about our culture. So talk not about differentiation, but yes, it's totally different. Our teachers were connected through heart, not with also brain. But in colleges, we don't get so much connection towards students. So
So I
basically,
hope
that's the
you'll be missing your
difference.
school very much, I think.
A lot,
And
a
even
lot.
special principal ma'am as well.
Yes,
Okay, thank you, Yash. Yash, I would like to now ask few questions, and we'll have your opinion how things are going and what you think in your opinion. So my first
sure,
question
sure.
for you is, what is your future plan?
Future plan currently, this year I'm going to get my diploma certificate. So after my degree, I'm going to try for UPSC exam because my family background has been serving through country or by state. So I would like to give an opportunity to that career also.
Okay, great, great. So, my next question for you is what we would like to hear about your journey after you have left the school. So, we would like to
Uh,
know about your journey after the school.
journey was I was exploring the outer country because school was like a shell for us, which was protecting from bad influences. Basically, that's the major point. And after uh, completing 10th, students are not so much mature because maturity comes gradually, not from one night instantly. So basically, after the after school, I started to look for diploma colleges because from transferring from an international board to state board was difficult, and it uh, so much of processes were there. I don't had any idea, so I also don't had someone to ask. So I had to go many places for looking because we need transfer certificates and all. So basically, that was the experience.
So, I hope you are enjoying traveling and also learning new things, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so my
Exploring is
next
great.
question, exploring is great. Definitely, it is great. Okay, exploring gives you knowledge, and that knowledge is going to be helping you throughout your life.
Yes.
Great, Yash. Great. Yash, my next question for you is about your activities. So, what are the activities or co-curricular activities and achievement that you remember from your school time?
Best memories will be going for long trips. That was the best experience
And do you
because
still cherish them
yes, a lot.
a
Because
lot?
not does we have spent time with teachers because at trips teachers are not professional. They are partly professional, 10% professional, and 90% they're enjoying with us. So we also get to explore their in-person experience. So that was truly amazing. Also, the sports day activities, annual day activities. Our school is so much concerned about everything, not only studies but also our co-curricular activities. I have seen a lot of schools my cousins go, and other person, other people, they don't get so much attention towards sports because with sports and annual activities we also grow socially. In today's time, growing socially is very much important. So that was the best thing which I have got from school.
Thank you, Yash. Really great experience that you're sharing. Okay, my next question for you is about the role that you're doing in the school. So, can you share some experience as vice captain in the school? When you were vice captain, your
Vice
experience.
captain, actually, I joined school from fourth standard, and that was the first year from me, 2011, and that time also school was new. So experience to share nothing much, but personally, I'm thinking it
So when
gave
you
me
were
some.
so yes, yes, I would like to know more about the when you're holding the position of vice captain of Nairitya House.
Yes.
So at that time, what you were thinking that the responsibility was given to you, and at that time, what was going in your mind? If you can share a bit about it, were you
uh,
enjoying and learning new things at that time?
And Yash wanted
learning
to say
was
something. He was trying to share some memories, right? You can continue that
yes,
answer also, and then you give this
yes.
answer.
Yes.
Actually, vice captain, that position gave me some leadership qualities because uh, a council member is made because teachers can't handle students from their perspective. So that's why council member is made so they can see from their perspective if someone is doing some mischief or something has been done wrong. So the person who is council member might be smaller than him or greater than him in age, but they are still students. They connect through their friendship, so it becomes easy.
Also, yes, you were saying some about your memories you were sharing. Would you like to share that as well?
Memories, yes, there were lots of memories because that time we all council members were new. So we had to report to our teachers. That was great because we cannot take, if you are leader, you have to report something or some things to other also
True.
and greater authority. So we
True.
have to keep in that in mind. We cannot do things from our mind. There are some rules which we need to follow and make them follow.
Yes, yes. It's all about working with team. It's all about thinking
Yes,
for everyone. It's all about thinking not from your perspective, but looking from all perspective and for everyone. Thank you, Yash.
yes.
I think you will be a great leader even in the near future. I know that. I think I believe that by listening to you now.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
so this brings to me the next question. So my next question is, what do you consider as the strength of Ramratna International School?
Strength, I will say, the school is looking after each and every student, and also the class limit. Our classes don't extend the number of students. Each class has max 30 students or 35 students. So it gives a teacher and good opportunity to give look out to every student. That's basically a strength, because if school is looking through at overall health, also school has our health checkups as well as mental checkups. We have an psychiatrist at our school. I also have visited 2 to 3 times, and the psychiatrist is very good. So at this point of time after lockdown, we have realized that mental health is also so much crucial for us, because everything works from our mind basically.
Yes, yes, because school talks about holistic development, right? So
Yes,
it's not only the academic development that Principal Ma'am always talk about. Is she talks about always the holistic development, which is very important.
yes.
Thank you, Yash. So Yash, my next question goes from school to parents. So my next question to you is, the parents plays the biggest role in shaping our lives. Am I right?
Yes, a lot.
So what life lesson have your parents given to you?
A lot, because parents, now our fingers are five, but not all fingers are same. They are different. So likewise, parents are also different. We cannot uh, judge them, but from my parents, I have learned that uh, I should not expect too much from my children. That's the very big means. If he's giving his full out of his capacity, then we should not push him.
So I hope your parents have been supporting you throughout. I
A
mean,
lot, a lot.
right, everything what you might have done till now, whether it is right or wrong, they have always supported you. They were always there behind you
Yes,
when you were always in need, right?
yes,
So
sir.
yes, parents are really important. Thank you, Yash, for the same answer. Okay, so Yash, I'll go with a new question now. So I know that after the school, you might have come across a lot of challenges, right? A new whole
A
world. Like
lot.
after school, a school which you said a school was very protective about you, was making sure that everything is given best to our students. So after school, you
Yes,
might have come across some challenges, right?
yes.
So my question for that is, what learning from school do you think have helped you to snail smoothly through the challenges of the outside world?
I would say the social development which the school has made, because our board also, Cambridge board, is also teaching us how much we should understand the concepts of any knowledge. That is the main agenda of learning. So that was very much helpful, because socializing is too much helpful in today's world. If you don't socialize, you cannot express your problems to other people. So that's the main key we should have in our life.
So yes, can you share any challenge that you have come across and you have faced that challenge with the character that is given by school to you? Any experience you
Uh,
would like to share?
I would say presentation skills. From right from fourth standard, our last lecture was presenting something
Mhm.
about anything. Also, our assembly students are made to give presentations, which in engineering we have to give lots of presentation. Vivas are there, so we don't get uncomfortable while giving viva. We are
Okay.
much confident than other students which have not got exposure to that kind of skills. So that was very much helpful for me.
Thank you, yes. Thank you, yes, for sharing that experience. Thank you. It's very difficult sometimes to share this kind of experience but also it shows how much courageous you are to share this kind of experience where you came across the character that has been taught by the school, and you are really you are applying it, because
Yes,
what important thing we always talk about is applying, not keeping the
yes,
knowledge just in ourselves. We are applying it. Thank you,
yes,
Yash. So Yash, this makes me move to a new question for you. That is, uh, so I hope you will be in touch of school, right? In touch with schools, friends, right?
yes.
So can you share some memories that you remember with your friends?
Memories. Principal ma'am, I would say she's a principal, but also a friend towards a student because I have not seen a principal who is calling students in their office for breakfast. That's a very unique thing and very best way to communicate with each and every student. Because while having breakfast, she shares some ideas which she need to apply in school, and she needs to know the opinion that students are fine with it because she cannot just apply it. That's the main reason. So spending time with principal ma'am was much great experience.
Yes, yes. Thank you, Yash. Yash, so before we move on to the next question, I would request Nishita ma'am to let have a small game, because you might be very much working with different countries. Now you'll come to that you're traveling so much, as you said. So let's see little fun with the country's name. Okay, Nishita ma'am,
Yes.
can we play? Can we have those slide, please? So yes, this is a little challenging for you, very unique thing for you. So you have to guess the name of the country based on the picture that is given.
Okay.
Okay, and I'll give you 10 seconds to think the name about this country. The other
Okay.
participant can put in the chat box. Okay. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
So would you like to guess the
Actually,
first thing? Yes. Are you able to see the screen? Are you able
yes,
to see the
yes.
presentation? Yeah.
It's
Dishita ma'am, I think
maybe
I can see
China.
the answer. Yes. Nisham, we can see the answer if you can present the slide. Yeah. Yeah. Great. So we have all the answers. Yes, Nisham, we can see the slides answer.
It's
Okay.
China.
So yeah, let's talk about honesty, because I think we all learn one very important skill from a school, honesty. So we'll ignore the answer part. Okay. Yes. Yes. So let's do
Yes,
that.
sir.
Okay. So the first country, yes, it is China. China reason why CHA and chain, and A
Chain
stands
and
for,
A.
that is China. Thank you, Yash. Let's go with the next one. Yes. Guess this country.
Mm, Belgium.
How? Can you explain?
Uh, Bell and Jim. So
Very good. So the answer
pronouncing
is
it
correct.
is Belgium.
Yes, it is Belgium. Okay, let's go with the last slide. Yes, the last one. I would like everyone to think
It's
about the last.
Hurricane.
Hurricane,
Ukraine. Yes.
Ukraine, Ukraine. Yes, that
Yeah.
answer is correct. Yes, you. So I hope you enjoyed that small game about letters,
Yeah,
numbers.
it
I
was
mean,
interesting.
remembering school life, right? We used to play this kind of games. So part of it. Thank you, Yash, for that. So Yash, we will take now our conversation to again to the question answer round. So my next
Yes,
question
sir.
for you is, how is the outside world different from school for you?
I would say totally different because students are not having exposure to bad things. Now, if we go to college, there are seniors, there are also juniors, and there are also some bad influences. So, school gives us strength to fight them, but also outside world is totally different. I would say students are different. The competition is a lot of competition is there, so we need to constantly keep up to the competition. What new things we have to learn every day, we have to start with something new, learning new.
Yes, yes, that's important. Learning new is very, very important. Thank you, Yash. Which leads to my second question is, what is your message for your juniors? So
Juniors, okay, so I would say is uh, stay in touch with your roots, what you have been taught. That will uphold you to fight with the bad influences which are there. Also, it will help to not get away from your what is your originality. Because as a person, you are when you are not being influenced, you are truly good. But after the influence, we are getting a lot of bad things in our body as well as our in life. So getting stick to our roots is very much important. Then also I would like to say is give chance to each and every knowledge field, because in today's time I've seen students differentiate that commerce is for failure, arts is
Correct.
for failure. Knowledge is not for failure. Knowledge is everywhere, and knowledge is going to help you in any way. So
Thank you. Yes, yes, yes. Knowledge is
yes,
very important. The more you learn, the more knowledge you have. The more knowledge you have, the
yes,
more far you can travel. Right? Yes.
yes,
Thank you. So yes, as you shared that you had a chance, you had a moment where you seized a moment where you had the breakfast with Principal right?
yes.
Can you share some memories about it? Can you share some experience when you were having
Uh,
the breakfast?
experience, I would say, actually, we were discussing about the school court only, because bullying, which is now also going in many schools and many colleges, and I had been through it. So that was discussion with ma'am was very much, I would say, I got a lot of support from ma'am about the school code. She also liked that I brought the thought of school code. So that was very much mesmerizing for me, because teachers are listening for us. They're implementing things for us. So we could be a better person tomorrow.
Thank you, Yash, for the same. Okay, so my next question goes is, uh, can you share some funny thing that might have, sorry, something funny that you can recollect and share with us that has happened during the school time? Some funny things which you like to share.
Funny thing, like we used to, whenever our exams are close, our sports lecture used to get cancelled, and some lectures was appointed. So we all students, we all were rushing towards Smita ma'am's cabin. We need the lecture, we need to play. So that was very much funny, because at that time, now thinking for it, the studies were important, but at that time, sports was also important for us. So that was very much funny moment for us.
That's quite funny. Yes. Okay, yes. Now my question next is, okay, so there are a lot of moments that might have happened in your with you in your school, right? Would you like to share the
Yes,
one best moment amongst it that you miss the most?
I will miss the most is at 10th standard dance. That
Okay,
was very much means our prelims were there, our board examination was close, but still we used to practice.
the finale, right?
And yes, the finale dance was amazing.
So you miss the most, like because you
Yes,
all were together at that time,
yes, and
right?
that was the last moment which
So
we
you
spent
really
all
cherish
together.
that. So you cherish that moment
Yes,
a lot, right?
yes, a lot.
Yes, yes, yes. So my next question for you is, if you are given a chance, would you want to come back to school for a day?
Yes, sure. I would love to stay in that environment for a day, recollect all our memories, because every wall of the school has some memories with us. Every inch of the school, not only the lobby area, the conference hall, every.
I remember
So yes,
for us, school is very important, yes, because I remember whenever I'm traveling through my bike or my car, and I go across my school, I see my church, I see my courtyard, I see my school as well. And I really cherish those one if I can get a moment to go there one more time and just see. So I hope you even
yes,
feel the same thing, right?
yes.
Okay. So my next question for you is, how can alumni contribute to the school?
Contribute. I think each and every student has been uh, going through different fields. So suppose one of my friend is from art field, one is from science, and one is from engineering. So they must coordinate and help the children who are getting graduate, so they don't get any trouble getting admission. So they can help. That's the major part, because some parents help their kids to get college, search about college, but some students parents are not so uh, they are not they don't have knowledge about college. What are the procedures, what are the admission requirements? So if a student is contributing towards graduating students, so it will be very good opportunity to them. They'll also get the college they want, or they can also share their experience or what kind of college they want.
So my question again, Yash, is what suppose if you get an opportunity to contribute towards our school because you cherish so
Yes.
much moment from our school, what would you like to do as an alumni then? What will you do for
I
us
would like
if
to
you want?
throw some light on diploma, because in today's time, engineering, going towards engineering, everyone thinks JEE, NEET, that is the option. But diploma is also an option, because diploma, right from first semester, we have exposure to the engineering subjects. That
Okay,
is main, because after 12, some students directly take in admission in degree. So from general sciences to that, they're directly getting subjects towards engineering. So they get a lot of pressure. But in diploma, you get exposure right from first semester.
okay. So yes, my last question for you for the day will be like, what can school do to keep the connection strong with all the alumni? What do you
Mm,
expect the school can do for you to keep all the alumni connected and together?
I think they should keep one day from an year where all can meet, every
Okay,
student. So if anyone wants to, if anyone wants to meet our teachers, they can come. They can share about their experiences they are having now. Also, they can recollect the last memories they had.
okay. I
So
think
that will be a
Principal
better
Ma'am is
option.
there. I think our school is always open for our alumni. Even Principal Ma'am will agree with
Yes,
my point. She always says
yes,
that no, our school is open for all the alumni. They can come whenever they want. It is their school. I hope Principal Ma'am is there. I hope she is also listening to me the same. That and she might agree with my point as well. Yes, ma'am.
Absolutely.
So it is your school, and you are almost well. You are always welcome at any point of the day, and the teachers are always there to have some little time with you to spend. I think that is all. That will be always there.
yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Yes. Thank you for your all the responses that you gave me. Now I would request the teachers if they would like to share their experience with Yash and something and more. So I would request Principal Ma'am if Principal Ma'am can share first thing.
I think let teachers speak first.
Amar
So
sir, may I?
yes, yes, please, ma'am. I would
Uh,
request teacher not to ask me, and then just one by one you can just be volunteer and just speak about.
okay, Amar
It
sir,
will be great.
am I audible? Because I'm out.
Yes, yes,
I'm coming back home.
you're
So
you're clearly audible, ma'am.
okay. Namaste, Yash.
Namaste, ma'am.
How are you?
Great, ma'am. How are you?
I'm also good. Yash, I'm missing your batch a lot, and
Yes, ma'am.
I
We are
still
also missing you
remember
a lot.
your creative work. You're very creative person.
Thank
We
you, ma'am.
always used to help Kiran sir in the school for all artwork, and you always used to take part in that voluntarily. And you are a very humble person, very quiet, always will be calm and composed. Always be like that. Today I'm very happy to see you here. I was listening to your thoughts. Very happy to see you're grown up so much.
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
all the best. Take care.
You
Thank
also,
you,
ma'am.
sir.
Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Namaste, Yash.
Namaste, ma'am.
How are you?
Great, ma'am. How are you?
Good, thank you. Nice to see you after a long time. And yes,
Yes,
Dhanashri ma'am
ma'am.
said very right. Such a humble person, so creative. Always you were in that art room. I remember you, Sahil Patel and all. And you really showed a lot of progress over the years. The way you used to present, you used to grab all the opportunity when it comes to when it used to be like to present something. You never used to, take a step back. Even if you were not aware of few things, even if you don't know anything, you were never a person who used to, bother about it. कि ठीक है जो आता है वो बोल दो जितना आता है उतना बोल दो that kind of a person. So always ready to grab the opportunity. So that was a very nice quality of you. You were in your own world. You had your own world. You were not bothered कि कौन आपके बारे में क्या सोच रहा है और कौन मेरे आगे पीछे क्या कर रहा है. You were happy in your own area, in your own zone which you had created. So that was a very wonderful quality you had. So
Thank you,
keep
ma'am.
up this good quality of yours. Be the same. Always humble and keep your creativity intact and keep doing a lot of creative work. I wish you all
Yes,
the
ma'am.
best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Take care. Keep smiling always.
Yes, ma'am.
Other teachers, I request if they can speak.
His friends can also speak.
Yeah, I request even the alumni can also speak up.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yeah,
Vishesh.
Namaste to all the teachers. Good afternoon, everyone. What I would like to say about Yash is like I am one of the few people who knew Yash to the core, and his subtle mischievousness and his ability to sneak past any boring classes he did not like to the art room. He used to sit all the day with Kiran sir if he did not like classes, and just I would like to burst the bubble. He also used to bring MP3 players and listen them into the washroom, which was quite funny actually. And honestly, I miss being at school with all my friends and everything. So he was also very sensitive, and he was also very quiet. He was. I've seen him grow actually from 8th grade to 10th grade. He was like not that good at academics, but then he really developed himself to what he is now, and I'm actually quite proud of him to what he has accomplished. So I've seen his journey from being a shy person, shy and not that good at academics, to an above average student. That's what I have observed about him, and I think it's really great as a person to develop themselves.
Thank you, Vishesh.
Thanks, Vishesh. Really appreciable from your side. Others can guys please unmute and you can go.
I think I should speak up now. Yes,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
are one such boy whose name I will never forget. Somebody who had such a great critical thinking skill, who came up with this idea. I remember there was some assignment that you people had done in English, which was talking about some school taking a decision to start something like a school code, and you
Yes, ma'am.
shared that with me through I think I feel box.
Yes,
When
ma'am.
I received it, I was totally moved and surprised, very pleasantly surprised that there is such a wonderful idea. And what moved me more is that it came from you, a boy who did not speak much, but somebody who had this understanding and a sense that this could be done in our school. So I can never forget whenever I talk of school code, wherever at any platform, I always mention your name. That's why I
Thank you,
say I will
ma'am.
never forget it. I must say
Thank you,
this
ma'am. Thanks a
skill,
lot.
this skill of silently observing things, having that kind of resilience, patience, and then at the same time having the confidence to put your thoughts. Hats off to you. Normally, like people describe you as shy, but I think it's a choice. People have some like to speak up, some just remain limited to themselves. And mostly people confuse shyness with lack of confidence, but you were totally opposite.
Yes, ma'am.
Your expression in art is so bold. The video that we have showed in the beginning, if you noticed, the last
Yes,
image
ma'am.
is of your artwork. Did you notice that?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
one which is on the second floor.
Yes.
I deliberately made Reshma edit the video and add that image into it. Because
Thank you,
without showing
ma'am.
your artwork, a video on you is unimaginable, incomplete. That
Thank
is
you, ma'am.
just
Thanks a
one of
lot.
your creativity, but I just wanted you to know that the school still has your signature, your imprints through the artwork that you have done on its walls. When you were
Yes,
talking of,
ma'am.
corridor and the walls, so the wall really speaks of your ability, your creative talent. So proud of you.
Thank you,
I also
ma'am.
remember the discussion that you're talking about, where we spoke about how school code can function, and I could see the clarity of thoughts that you had, the confidence with which you spoke. And I agree totally with what Dhanashri has said. I always found you so humble. And I'm happy to hear from Vishesh that you were subtly very mischievous. I'm happy to really know that you had a good time. You were mischievous. The school time must be enjoyed. It cannot
Yes, ma'am.
be about all seriousness. So
Yes, ma'am.
I'm glad that you had a fun time in school. Plus, you carried these skills which you mentioned, which have helped you settle yourself so comfortably in the outside world. You are going to
Yes,
make a
ma'am.
mark for yourself. I'm so very proud of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
The
Thanks a
same way,
lot.
like I have seen you, stay confident, speak your thoughts, do
Yes,
what
ma'am.
you wish to do. Don't stop yourself from bringing out your best.
Yes,
There's
ma'am.
no limit for you. And I just want you to know the school is forever yours. It's your family. Always welcome. Come meet us, meet your teachers whenever you wish to. And yes, soon we will be framing a formal alumni association. So what you said might very soon come into action,
Yes,
where we
ma'am.
can have formal gatherings, etc. So God bless you, Yash. Keep
Thanks a
smiling.
lot, ma'am. Thank you.
Lots of love to you. I'm so proud of you.
Uh, okay, Yash, I invited your mom also. Is she around? So I requested ma'am to attend the session along with you. So she said I will be there along with Yash.
Okay. Actually,
So
ma'am, our shifting is going on, so she went for the work.
no, no problems, Yash. It's
Yes.
okay. So I wanted to just to know from her experience during this talk. Amar sir, over to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Yash, for sharing all your experiences, and thank you for the teachers as well. So now I'll take the word of thanks to the end, basically. So at the end, I would like to thank Principal Ma'am for giving me this opportunity to host, because I've never done hosting, to be very honest. But giving me this opportunity, thank you very much. I even thank Priyanka Channa ma'am for approaching me to host it. I mean, I was in confusion whether to accept or not, because having PTA, having two classes on the same day, and then hosting was very difficult for me. But still, you approached me, and I felt that I think I can do it. So thank you, Priyanka Channa ma'am, for giving this opportunity, and I thank everyone for listening me patiently. Thank you, Yash, for responding everything. I pray that you do a lot and you achieve the highest goals of your life. And I pray that you do your best at everything that you do in your life. And
Thank you,
cherish the
sir.
name of our school as well. Thank you,
Thank you,
everyone.
sir.
Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot.
Thank you. Thank you, Principal Ma'am.
So, Amar sir, very well conducted. Congratulations to you and thanks for being the host. I hope you also had a good experience of hosting this show. And Yash was equally good. Both of you did a great job.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. I tried my best, ma'am.
Well done. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Priyanka ma'am.
Yes.